Corn is up and growing good. Ain't giant yet, but only had a few that didn't germinate. I put some tomato cages around it temporarily to keep the deer away while it was raining. You have to come down and put some more deer and rabbit repellent on it. They're doing good. I think these cages are going to help them a little bit with the wind for a while, so they get too tall for them. Everything's growing good. Haven't harvested anything yet, but we're gonna have plenty of squash and zucchini. They're flowering now. Potatoes are flowering. I'm hoping this year I might be able to pick some actual potato berries, collect the seeds out of them, replant. Never grown potatoes from seed before. I've always just chitted and planted potatoes. But that's that. Cucumbers are doing good. Green beans are up.